Withdrawing money from Spotify to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your funds are transferred smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Spotify account. Visit the Spotify website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with your earnings. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Go to Payment Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Payment or Payouts. Click on this to access your financial information related to earnings. Step 4. Add your bank account details. If you haven't already, enter your bank account details where you want the funds to be sent. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues with the transfer. Step 5. Request a withdrawal. After your bank account information is set up, look for an option to request a withdrawal or transfer funds. Follow the prompts to complete your request and confirm the amount you wish to withdraw. Once you have completed these steps, your request will be processed and the funds should appear in your bank account within the specified time frame. Always check for confirmation emails or notifications regarding your withdrawal.